Hi there, I'm gonna show you how to place an order with clippingpathdad.com. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. How to place an order. First of all, if you go to our website, then you can see the some of couple of button up on the front of the page. Then here is the getting started now button. Click here. Once you click here, then page redirect to the place order forum. So submit all the detail, whatever you need. Like what are you looking for? Like if you're looking for uh, clipping path, if you cursor the mouse here, then you can see the clipping path with the drop shadow, the mirror effect, the photo masking, retouching, and vector conversion. So first of all, let's start with the clipping path. I'm selecting clipping path, and next the feature that you want. Like if you're looking for the transparent background, then select it. If you're looking for the watermark logo or your brand page, then you can select it. Okay. And if you want to any different backgrounds, no problem. You can send to us. We'll replace that background. Okay. And go to the next. And you can choose the time frame. Like if you are looking for rush within 24 hours, then you have to charge 29 cents per to 20 more cents. That means 40 cents. If you don't need, no need to check it out. The next step. How many emails do you have? Like how many emails you want to clipping path for that? Like I'm looking for 10. It's drag and drop. Just like 10. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then select 11. And upload an image. You can upload the Dropbox or Google Drive URL, or if you want to share your website activity detail, then you can send here. I'm gonna I'm gonna submit a URL for just training purposes. Then go to the next step. The URL, that's mean URL whatever where the image is available, or our employee can access that email, that URL, and can take download and upload there. Okay, so this is the final cost total. This is 3.48 cents, and now fill up your personal information. Like my name is Mike Doe. My email is Mike Doe at the rate gmail.com. If any messes, like I'm writing something, make clean my background professionally. Okay, and here is the terms and condition. You can read this after accept this, and now you can place an order. Oh, this is pretty simple. All job done. Now all everything I'll do myself. Oh, that's it. Thank you so much.